great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. The driver's door has power door locks, a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, the power lift gate where we're able to set the opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off. And you'll notice this Acadia comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power tilt and telescopic steering wheel button, the electric park brake, some lighting controls, head-up display button and information tab, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with Kalahari seat embroidery, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and dual sunroofs. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, interior light buttons, OnStar, and a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It has our Wi-Fi hotspot. It's also equipped with navigation. Those shortcut buttons are located down below. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. That straight line there was for hitch guidance. Surround vision allows us to change that camera view. Starting at the front of the Acadia, we have those signature C-shaped LED headlamps, fog lights, 17-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, black roof rack cross rails up top, rear tinted windows, remote start, keyless entry and keyless start, AT4 hard badging, black molded assist steps down the side, remote start. As we make our way toward the very back, the rear window wiper and a power lift gate. Going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the trunk, plenty of cargo storage space, especially with those second row seats folded down. We have the rear cargo shade, a vertical cargo net, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment located underneath that GMC cargo mat. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. Our passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, the rear climate control buttons, heated second row bucket seats, USB ports and a power plug-in, a storage compartment with dual cup holders down near the floor, all-weather floor mats on the floor, second row sunroof, again bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull this seat release on the top of the seat. That will engage the slide technology. Our third row has 2 additional seats. They're currently folded down with that rear cargo shade in the back. We have cup holders and a USB plug-in. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Acadia AT4. or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.